welcome to theprofitroom.com. Today is Sunday, April 29th. We are currently shorting oil. We alerted in our swing trading room QM as well as CL. QM has low margin requirements and specifically good for newbies, only $1,725, whereas CL costs you about $3,450. Now the basis behind this trade is oil has been in the channel, as you look on the chart here, between 68.30 and 67.70. So it's not a bad risk to reward that I'm getting in here to short. As you see here, I'm willing to risk about $100 to make $162, $150. It is Sunday evening. It's not a lot of volume, as you see in the chart, but we are currently in this trade at one contract. So let's see what takes place. We'll check back in another half an hour or so and see what crude oil does. So we're going to speed up the video a little bit. As you see, crude oil starts to move. You see these markers I'm putting up here now because it's starting to get late towards the evening and I don't want to be able to watch this. So just in case I step away from the platform, it's a warning sign for me if I'm going to get stopped out close to my stop or close to my take profit. As you see, the volume is starting to pick up and market participants are starting to actively trade crude oil. One thing to need to know, this trade is based all off of technicals, and sometimes you get some strong movements. That's why you always need to have a stop loss and always have a potential area to take profits. Now ideally, many futures traders will get in more than one contract. The money comes very, very fast, and you don't need a lot of margin in order to, or capital in order to participate in the futures market. But you definitely need to know technical analysis. I mean, there's a lot of economic news that affects the futures market as well, but the technical analysis, and if you're able to sit here and watch, you're able to capitalize off of some great movements. So as a newbie, $75 would be great, but we're looking or anticipating a larger target. So we'll see what happens eventually with crude oil as it starts getting late into the night. I trade equities in the morning, our team, so we don't want to sit here and babysit the trade. And I'll show you what we do next with crude oil. Since crude oil is working out in our favor, we're going to adjust our take profit. Let's see what happens. $362.50 overnight with one contract. Now, we don't want to go into extreme details, but crude oil had a nice technical breakdown and hit our target we was expecting. And this is the power of technical analysis. And at theprofitroom.com, this is what we teach our students. This $75 could have been great profits when we first saw it, but this bigger move paid out so much more. Sunday night, April 29th, into Monday morning, waking up to $350 of profits based off of anticipating a movement. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Come on, stop by theprofitroom.com, where we specialize in technical trading in Forex, futures, and stocks. In any type of market, we can teach you how to trade. As always, take care and trade safe.